George, the case studies that you have in your portfolio are missing user flows. This is what a user flow looks like. Essentially, it tells or it informs uh, product owners or developers um, the user flow of a app or a website. Your product, the case study that you did, it has one. So you have to create that one, that user flow, and show it on your case study. It goes step by step. As you can see, it says view the app, start page, user has an account, and that user has two options, yes or no. If he doesn't has an account, then we send him to a form that says fill out your form or to generate a form. If he has an account, then we ask him for a password. If he enters his password, he has other options like forgot his password, or if he didn't forget, then we just allow him to log into the dashboard. And if he forgot his password, then we send him to a UI or we give him the option to reset the password. So see, this is what a user flow looks like, and your case study has one. So you should create it and put it on your case study. Another thing that your case study is missing, the website, is wireframes. Wireframes such as these ones that have the user flow in it. So that's the starting point. That's what the user sees. If he taps the button, we send him to this UI. If he taps the other button, then we send him to another UI. So see, so this is what I think your case studies are missing, your 2 case studies. And I think this is very valuable for companies who are hiring art directors. They want to see this, or product owners, they want to see this, that you understand how to create these user flows. Hopefully that helps. I don't know if I've been too specific, or let me know on the comments below if this is helpful for you. So going back to your project, I noticed that you have this interesting identity, and I think this belongs to, like I mentioned on the past video, this belongs to a separate case study where you just talk about branding in detail. But if you're going to be a UI UX designer, I think branding is important, but not as much as user flows. So you want to show your user flows. I really like your website, which is responsive apparently. Actually, that's the website that you create. It's not responsive. I was a little bit confused. They for a second I thought they were like user interface from mobile apps, but they're not. You just showing the website, which is interesting. So this is great, and I think these 2 projects have legs to become a really strong case study. I noticed one thing that you mentioned here that's very interesting. By the way, nice photo. I really like portfolios that have a photo of a picture of the owner. It would be interesting if you put that photo as well on your homepage, or a new photo on your homepage. But